Hi, nice to meet you. Wow.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't realize there was going to be a puddle there.
Mm-hmm.
But the door's already unlocked.
It's unlocked?
Yeah. If I had a key, I'd move it forward for you.
Okay. I got it.
Unfortunately, this parking lot sucks when it comes to water. I didn't realize it had rain. I thought we were good, so I thought it was dry.
And the same key from the door, the same for the ignition? Is the
Yes.
same key?
Are you good? It's not even...
Yes, I got it. Lock and start the car.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too. $200.